How long has she been like this for? How long?
Don't know, half an hour?
All right. Call an ambulance. Now, Travis! It's okay. Louise, you're gonna be fine. Okay, I'm here. It's okay. I'm here.